What is up, YouTube? Today we're going to do 3 easy mods to help improve your clutch feel on the MK7 Golf R or MK7 period. 2 of them are free, 1 is fairly cheap. Let's get started. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to replace this line. First you got to remove your intake, your battery, to get access to the swirl valve back there and to run the line through. Alright, your first step should be taking off the battery terminals first. Getting to that, let's get to this. These should be T25s. Should be 2 bolts here. It should pop right out. Should come out just like that. Put this aside. Your box should technically lift right out. Alright, now we're at the stage. Add your wire. You gotta take this out to hold your battery in place. And we'll take out the tray. I know you guys are seeing me use silver everything. Still waiting on my toolbox. I don't know why Amazon hasn't shipped it yet. It says sorry for the delay, and I still haven't got any confirmation if it's been shipped yet. So for right now, I'm gonna use what I have. Alright, now we're at this point. Let's see. Can I get my hand in there? I cannot. So it looks like 2 T30s. Yep, looks like 2 T30s. So place this with this with this. Where are we still holding? We have a T30 down there. Alright. That's done. What's that? Is that a 10? Let's see. All the way back here? No, it's not. It's an 8. Of course it's going to be an 8. Did I luck out? I lucked out, yes. Alright, so I didn't get to record it, but the battery tray is out. It is a 10mm bolt back here. It is right there. And this is what we're going for. Alright. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a little snaky tube thing. It's a restrictor. For some reason, Volkswagen decided to do that. All right, so we're gonna go from starting from here. You feed it all the way up and around underneath the mount, up over to that. So at this point, keep your rags close because it will get messy from here. You're gonna need picks to pull out these right here, and there's one back there, and just like that, it's out. Sorry, I couldn't get you guys in there. It's an extremely tight fit. A little bit of fluid is always coming out. So next step is to be putting the line in. You got a snake underneath, you're going through. I have another step that I'm going to show you to help you guys out. There's a restrictor valve in there, right in that piece. Okay, so with this piece, there's a little restrictor valve that's on the inside. It's about like a pin thick. So what you do is the side that has the little nub, face it away. The side that doesn't have the little nub, put a screwdriver in and press lightly. It's gonna flip to its side. Then you could just maneuver it out from there. I was pressing a little hard and it shot out. This is what it looks like. All right, let's see if I can get you guys now with this one. So snake it up through here, all the way around. I'm gonna follow the same path that the other one showed, all the way until we get to there. Move these towels, paper towel, jam it in there, make sure it's sitting tight. Right in here, get that sitting tight. That's it. That's it for that side. So like I said, restrictor valve in here, then restrictor swirl back there. So it did come with a mounting insert for right here. I don't know how it's supposed to go. There we go. Right in. We did lose a lot of clutch fluid. Let's see where we're at. We don't want this to run dry. Shows that we're fine. We're just under half. But when we bleed the clutch, we'll get some more out. All right, I'm gonna call Yui to come and help out. All right, at this point, guys, you're gonna have to bleed your clutch line. Have a buddy, say hi, buddy.
Hello, buddy.
What he's gonna do is he's gonna step on the clutch, let it sit down the first time. It's gonna sink all the way to the floor. You take your bottle. Highly recommend getting a bottle. Don't try to do a at-home thing. Put it over the nipple. All right, it's gonna be right over the nipple. He's gonna floor it to put the clutch down to the floor, and he's gonna hold it there. Most of the time, it's gonna stick. Crack the valve with a 9 wrench right here. Crack. You'll see a whole bunch of bubbles come through. Fill this back up, then have him do it again. It's about 9 pumps, and he's gonna hold it. You crack it. You're gonna see a whole bunch of clutch fluid, brake fluid come through, and he's gonna do that again. Repeat the process about 3 to 4 times. All right, now we're gonna put everything back together from the order we took it out. Put this back in. Man, it's great having an extra set of hands. Come on. All right, now we gotta line up these bolts.
Oh, you were on it.
No, there's like a rubber thing. What is that? I swear I need to invest in these hooks. These have been my friend the whole time. Whatever you are, you're annoying. So, back in. This bolt goes here. This bolt goes here. I feel like it's not on. Couple Ugga Duggas. Put this back in.
Howdy. How are you? Okay, how are you? Good.
For real.
She. Wound up there.
That one there. That one's on. That one's on. Now, what did I do with my 7? Of course, it's inside the house. No, it's not gonna happen.
Maybe you like that one video that I sent you? The guy's in the engine bay. Kevin, buy a Subaru. They're easy to work on. As he's wailing away at the transmission. Get me the fuck out of this engine bay.
That's what I'm saying. Think about that all the time when I'm working on this thing. Buy your Euro, they said. It'd be fun, they said. There we go. Now it's seated.
This side seated?
That side needs to go down just a bit.
Yeah, just a hair.
There we go. Bam. Alright. Oh, now it wants to be too loose.
I don't know what's going on that side of the house.
Awesome.
It's like it used to be a garage. Tubing?
No. Fucking power. The positive. Yeah. I forgot I routed it under. Alright, that's on. Then oh, this got to go back in.
It would be like
So all right, and just like that, the engine bay is done. This is a bitch to install. You need two people to do it. One to kind of lift, one to place down. It's easy taking apart because it all pries up, but a second pair of hands worked. All right, step number 3 to make your clutch feel better. There is a spring on your clutch. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, but it's right there. It's an easy process. Press your clutch, pull the spring out. All right, let's get this started. what we're trying to get to is that spring right there. All you gotta do is press on the brake or clutch, and it should pop right out. Feels like I'm actually driving the car now. Holy shit, this is gonna be something to get used to. It kind of reminds me of my old Jetta, not the one that I have in there. So, initial review, feels good. Feels tight. Clutch feels like an actual clutch now. I'm gonna do a little pull to show Mr. Yui what it's like to be in the Golf R now, since it got its new tune. And he hasn't seen it yet. Ready? Feels fucking great. That feels good. I'm still getting a little stick at the bottom. That's the only thing I don't like. So like when you completely floored it and you let go, it just holds there. But alright guys, thanks for watching. See you guys next week.
I don't want friends, I want Audis. Smoking on booth and it's my weed. I check the bitch like I'm Mari. Sorry bitch, I don't say sorry. Look at my cup, it got dope. I been a rover like slow.